Strait of Hormuz is an important topic of news headlines today. Now, what is Strait of Hormuz? The word Hormuz came from the Persian local word that is Hormuz, which means a place of dates. Now, Strait of Hormuz covers 33 to 35 kilometers and it is located to the southern coast of Iran. Now, Strait of Hormuz connects Persian Gulf with the Arabian Sea. Now, every day approximately 20% of the world crude oil or petroleum products are transferred through Strait of Hormuz, that is around 20 million barrels per day. So as a result, what happens? Strait of Hormuz is an important factor of way through which global oil transit takes place. It connects Persian Gulf with the Arabian Sea. Now, how it dominates the international global oil transit? Through Strait of Hormuz, every day 20 million barrels, through Strait of Malacca 5 million, through Suez Canal 2.5 million, and through Panama less than 1 million oil is transported. As a result, what happens? Strait of Hormuz is a dominating factor because majority of the oil transit is done through the Strait of Hormuz. So it's a very dominating strait compared to other straits. Now, through Strait of Hormuz, the oil is transported. For example, to East Asia, 65%, that is to Japan, China, South Korea and India, they import crude products through Strait of Hormuz that comprises 65%, Europe 25%, United States 10% and Africa 20%. So it is a most of the dominating country or most of the important country which import through Strait of Hormuz are the East Asian countries. So East Asian countries are mostly affected due to the war and due to the shutdown of Strait of Hormuz. Now, LNG and LPG is also imported or transferred through Strait of Hormuz, and it also occupies a global dominating factor. For example, LNG is transported to East Asia through Qatar and Saudi Arabia, and Europe is transferred through UAE, United States via Iran, and Africa via crude oil. As a result, through Kuwait. As a result, what happened is that due to the shutdown or close down of Strait of Hormuz, there is a global scarcity of LPG and LNG across the world. So, through Strait of Hormuz, crude oil, LPG, LNG and various petroleum products are being transferred to the rest of the world. Panama Strait. Now, Panama Strait is an artificial waterway which covers 82 kilometers. It connects Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. It cuts across the Isthmus of Panama. It is also an important major route of global maritime trade. Through Panama Strait, various transit takes place from crude oil and through many other merchandise goods. Next is Bering Strait. Now, what is Bering Strait? It connects Arctic Ocean to Pacific Ocean. It is approximately 82 kilometers and it separates United States and Russia. And many oil transit and merchandise goods is also done through Bering Strait. Suez Canal. Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt connecting Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. It was set up in the year 1869. Through Suez Canal, it is easy for the European nations to connect to the Asian countries. For example, when India was under British rule, after 1869, British started dominating India's imports and exports because it became easy way to connect to Europe to India. The traveling hours was reduced because they did not have to cover the entire African continent. Rather, many kilometers of traveling was reduced due to the opening of Suez Canal. Strait of Gibraltar. The Strait of Gibraltar is an approximately 14 to 44 kilometers. It connects Atlantic Sea and Mediterranean Sea. It also separates Europe from Africa. Now, through Strait of Gibraltar, many countries export and import is done, and it is the strait which serves various countries of Europe and Africa. Thank you.